Hello, my name is Matthew. Welcome to the channel. Today I am teaching myself how to cook with a children's cookbook, and on today's menu it is telling us to cook barbecue chicken. And so let's get cooking. As for the ingredients, this is what we're using. For the sauce, gonna need 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of fresh orange. I don't really have a juicer, so I'm just gonna freshly squeeze this orange juice out. And for last, we're gonna add a crushed garlic. Now I have to stir it, but I'm kind of curious if this is actually how barbecue sauce is made. On the recipe it says barbecue chicken. Maybe it's because it's in the oven. So I'm kind of, I'm not sure if this is how barbecue is made, but I'm kind of looking forward to tasting the marinade. It kind of does smell like barbecue sauce. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go for a little taste test. Is that barbecue? I can't tell. It's like wait. One more stir. That's like a sweet barbecue sauce. Yeah, that is like barbecue. That's pretty cool. Okay. Well, that's delightful. I have some drumsticks and I'm going to score them. Thing is sharp. Some chicken thighs. I'm gonna score the chicken thighs as well. Gonna now mix this up a little bit. Oh, I kind of want to taste it, but I don't want salmonella. Salmonella? Salmonella? Salmonella. Yeah, salmonella. So I'm gonna let this marinate overnight, and we'll continue on from there.
That's one day of marinating. Now it's time to cook it.
Let's see how it turned out. Yeah, kind of smells like curry. This is gonna go into the oven,
And let's cook it for an hour at 375 degrees. Woo. And I'll see that in a bit.
Completed product. I am very excited to try this. Been waiting for over a day. So, or I should say over 24 hours. Let's go for the smell test. Kind of has like a tangy smell to it. I don't know, it's not like a very pungent barbecue sauce. Kind of reminds me of a Worcester sauce. Got it. Well, and I have some rice to try with it. Let's go for the taste test. I'm gonna get myself a thigh because I'm a thigh kind of guy. It's very mild. It's not sophisticated. Coming from a children's cookbook, I think that's probably what it is. If I were to score this, it's good, but not sophisticated. It's very simple. I would give this a score of a 4.9, 4.8. For a kid though, I feel like this would be a solid 6.8. Because as a kid, you're very sensitive, or at least children are very sensitive to flavor. But as for a child, I think they're more sensitive when it comes to flavors. So I think this wouldn't be too overpowering for them since their palates aren't as developed yet. With that being said, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please feel free to leave a like or subscribe. Well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching it until this far, please leave a like or a comment. And if you want to see furthermore videos, feel free to subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you again, and that's it for this video. Bye!